folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Simple and delicious, that's always my motto. We'll be following that today with an Asian-inspired sticky chicken. It's so good. Let's get right to it, building the sauce. We're going to start out with some hoisin sauce. 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now there's a lot of ingredients here, so remember, on all my videos, if you hit the directional arrow and go down, it gives you all my recipes on every video. So next, we're going to put some chili garlic sauce. 1 teaspoon. This has got a bit of heat to it, so you be the judge. If you want to just put half the amount or take it out, it's your choice. I'm going to put a generous teaspoon in here. I like a little bit of heat in there. Next, we're going to put in the juice of 1 lime. So give it a nice citrus lime flavor. And next, we'll put some fresh grated ginger. Now I've peeled my ginger. I got a little grater here. And we want about, a tablespoon. That ought to do it there. And next we're going to put in some fresh grated garlic. 1 large garlic clove, finely diced. And then we're going to put in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And finally, 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce. Now we're going to give that a good mix. We'll set it aside and let's start browning up our chicken. So you can use either boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I've got here, or chicken breasts. I've trimmed up most of the fat and I've cut up my chicken thighs into about thirds. So first of all, on a medium to a high heat, we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil to our non-stick pan. And then we'll get our chicken in. Going to season that with just a pinch of pepper and salt. Now the objective here is not to fully cook these. If you're using a meat thermometer, cook it to about 165. Because we'll take these out after they're browned up, we'll set them aside, and we'll put our sauce in here, get that all warmed up and gooey, and then return the chicken. So that's been about 1.5 minutes to give these a flip. The chicken is where I want it. Got a little bit of a brown on there. We'll set this off to the side in a pan. And now we'll get our sauce in. And we'll heat that up, and that will thicken it up to a nice gooey sauce. Once you feel it thickening up, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of red and yellow bell pepper. It'll just give it a little bit of crunch and some lovely color. And now we can put our chicken back in. We'll just let that simmer for 5 or 6 minutes and get nice and gooey. Doesn't that look delicious? It's time to serve it up. Well, that's another simple and delicious recipe. Took no time at all. And you know, a nice side with this is a rice, either a jasmine or a basmati rice. And you can top off that beautiful chicken with a little bit of sesame seeds, some spring onion, even if you're a cilantro fan, put a little bit of that on. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I put one out every Monday. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the red button, and you'll be notified every Monday when I put out a new video. Well, now it's my favorite time. I get to try the goods. Wow, the chicken thighs are always so tender. Oh, wow. What a beautiful mixture of flavors. The garlic, the ginger, the soya, it all works well. It's so delicious. I think you're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.